Good morning, dear students. So, in our previous class, we have learned that if we have a circle, we have drawn a circle, suppose, then this curve, the closed curve, it is also known as closed curve, no? This closed curve has got a length. Means suppose the circle is made with a thread. Suppose you have made a circle with a thread, and when the thread is cut at a point and it is stretched out, suppose it gives you a particular length, and that length is suppose this length. By this line I represent the distance around this boundary, that is length of the thread that you have used to make the circle. That will be called what? Perimeter or circumference of the circle. Circumference or also called perimeter of the circle. That means whenever any object like this, a stick is there, its length is suppose 15 centimeter, and you have bent it to form a circle, suppose this way. So you have reshaped the stick into a circle. That is, the boundary length of the circle is 15 centimeter, because 15 centimeter length you have taken. So this is suppose 40 centimeter, and this 40 centimeter you have taken to form this circle. You have reshaped this thread to a circle. Then the boundary length of the circle will be 40 centimeter. So now we have a formula to find the circumference of a circle, and circumference of a circle is given by circumference C, suppose, is 2 into pi into r, where it is pi is a irrational number. Pi is an irrational number. Its value is 22 by 7 or 3.14. No, here pi is 22 by 7, or you can write in decimal form, that is 3.14 approximately. So this is the formula for finding the, and this r is what? Here r is radius of the circle. Radius of the circle. The radius of the circle, r is. So pi value 22 by 7 into r is radius, and here this 2 is required, then you will get what? Circumference of a circle. Remember this. Circumference is given by this formula. Okay. What is radius? The center's distance from any point of the circle. That is radius. This is radius. Okay. This is radius. Suppose a cycle ring is lying on the ground. Okay? It is a cycle ring, and it is just lying on the ground, flat. Then the cycle ring will cover some region of the ground or not. This region it has covered, no, on the ground. So this region which is enclosed by this closed ring, that is called its area. Area is actually the inside region of a circle, and that area is calculated by using this formula. How this formula was derived previously, it was shown in our previous video. What is that? Pi into r square. This circle was converted into a rectangle, then finding the area of rectangle, we got the area of circle also, no? So area of a circle is pi times r square. Area is pi times r square. This is area of a circle. A for area. Okay, dear students, we got this also and this also. Let's take exercise 12.1, question number 1. Here it is given that the radii of two circles are 19 and 9 cm respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumferences of the two circles. So find the radius of another circle. So let us draw these two circles whose radii are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. So I draw two circles. This circle, its radius is 19 centimeter. Suppose it is radius 1. Its radius is 19 centimeter. R1 is 19 here. So we will say here like this in solution. This is question number 1. R1 is radius of the first circle which is equal to 19 centimeter. 19 centimeter. R2 is the radius of the second circle. Its radius is R2. Radius is R2. Suppose. So, and R2 is equal to 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter. So now, according to question, these two circles circumferences, whatever it is, that is there is C1, suppose circumference of this circle, and C2 is the circumference of this circle. Then there is another circle whose circumference is equal to the sum of these two circumferences, meaning there is one bigger circle like this. Okay, this is one bigger circle, bigger than this. Its radius is not known. Radius of this third circle is not known. We will say this radius is R3. R3 suppose. Okay, R3 is the radius of the third circle. Radius of third circle. Question says that circumference of this circle's circumference is equal to the sum of the circumferences of the first two. That means, according to question, what you can say, according to the question, circumference of third circle is C3. These are subscripts that I am using to represent this circumference of a particular circle. C3 means circumference of third circle. That is equal to circumference of first circle, say it is C1, and circumference of second circle is suppose C2. So this circumference is C3 and this circumference is C1 plus this circumference C2. The question says like this. Circumference means, already I told you, the distance around this circle will be equal to, suppose you walk along this boundary and this boundary is suppose 300 meter. I am just saying simply this boundary from this point to this point, when you come back and you complete 300 meter. And here suppose this boundary is, when you walk along this boundary, it is suppose 200 meter. 200 meter. And along this boundary, when you walk along this boundary of the smallest circle, its boundary is suppose 100 meter. Then that means what it says, that this 300 is equal to the sum of this and this. There is a meaning of it. 300 is this number, suppose C3, and C3 represents this number, and equal to C1 represents this number, plus C2 is this number. Is it clear, dear students, the question? So, but we are just taking these numbers by ourselves. We don't have these numbers now, just to make you understand the meaning of the question. Thus I have put like this. Now we write C3 equal to C1 plus C2. Now you see, circumference formula you have, circumference of a circle is given by 2 into pi into radius. 2 into pi into radius. What is the radius of this third circle? R3. Then you have to put here R3 is equal to circumference of the first circle. 2 into pi into radius of the first circle. Radius of the first circle is R1. So here you have to put R1 plus C2. 2 into pi into R2. Okay. Now you see here 2 pi, 2 pi, 2 pi. This is a common factor. If we divide the whole equation by 2 pi, then 2 pi will get cancelled or not? If we divide left hand side, right hand side by 2 pi, then 2 pi will get cancelled. This is a common factor. So 2 pi is cancelled. No need of writing 2 pi again. You write just like this. R3 is equal to R1 plus this is R2. So R1, what is the value of R1? 19 centimeter. Plus R2. R2 is what? 9 centimeter. 19 plus 9, 28 centimeter. This is R3. Therefore, the required radius of the third circle is equal to 28 centimeter. This is our answer. Okay, dear students, this is our answer for the first question. Please see nicely. Second question, look at second question. The radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Okay, like the previous one only. Find the radius of the third of the circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of the first two. So similar to the previous question, but this time sum of areas. So these are the three circles. Radius of first circle is R1. Okay, radius of first circle is R1. So here R1 is given as that is 8 centimeter. R2 is radius of second circle, that is 6 centimeter, and R3 is not known, radius of third circle. Radius of third circle. Okay, so according to the question, this time it is said that area of the first circle, area means, already I told you what is the meaning of area. Area is the inside portion, the space, the region occupied by the circle. This is the part, this is area. Suppose that is area 1, area 1, A1, capital A1, plus area 2, area of the second circle, this one, this portion, plus area 2 is equal to sum of the areas of two circles is equal to area of the third circle, area of this one, that means this is bigger. So that is area of 3, area 3. So now let us put the area formula now here. Area of a circle is given by the formula pi r square. But here for area of first circle A1, radius is what? R1. So we will write here pi R1 square plus area of second circle is pi R2 square. This R1, 2, these are not values, these are some called subscripts. No? Then equal to area of the third circle, that is pi R3 square. Is it understood? So now we are writing area formula, area formula, area formula everywhere. Throughout the whole statement, you have noticed, I think, pi is a common factor. Pi is here, pi is here, pi is here. So just that is cancelled because in every term pi is there. A factor which is present in every term, that can be understood as cancel factor. Okay. Now no need of writing that one. You write here R1 square plus R2 square is equal to R3 square. R1, its value we have. What is the value of R1? 8. You put here 8 square. Its value is 6 square is equal to R3 square. R3 is not there, we are going to find. So 8 square is 64, 6 square is 36 is equal to R3 square. So we get here R3 square is equal to 64 plus 36, 100. Take square root of both sides to remove this power. Take square root here and take square root here. And square root of R3 square is R3. Means power will get cancelled with this. Then square root of 100 is 10. Therefore, required radius of the third circle, required radius of the third circle is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, this is our final answer. Look at question number 3, dear students. In figure 12.3 depicts an archery target marked with its 5 scoring regions from the center outwards as gold, red, blue, black and white. The innermost region is gold, that is a circle. The second region from inside is red, that is also a ring. It is not a competition, no, you cannot say, because this portion you have to exclude, gold region part. Gold part only is complete circle, but this red region is the region between two circles. Then the black also region between two circles. Then blue also, black also and white also. All these regions are region between two circles. So we need to find the areas of these, all the scoring regions. That is the question. The diameter of the innermost one is, gold region's diameter is 21. Okay, the gold region's diameter is 21. and each other bands means gold, red band, blue, black, white, all the bands are of 10.5 centimeter wide. That is, radius will increase by 10.5 as you will come out from the innermost one. For each one 10.5 you have to extra add with the innermost radius. That way respectively means first one will be, its diameter is 21, radius will be 21 by 2. No? Then after that for the red one it will be 21 by 2 plus again 10.5. That I am showing you, just you see. Dear students, let us think that this is the goal region. This is the goal region and its diameter is given as 21. Since diameter is radius is half of the diameter, so we will write like this. Radius 1 is radius of goal region. Radius of first circle, you can say, first circle from inside. All circles we will talk about will be from inside only, no? It's innermost one. So that is 21 by 2, because diameter is given here. From here to here, what is the length given? 21. This is diameter. Diameter is 21. Then radius will be half of that. Radius 1 I am saying. That is diameter by 2, 21 by 2 centimeter. So this is, also you can say this is 21 by 2 means 10.5. 10.5 centimeter. Then what is the area of, this is question number 3 is going on. So what is the area of this goal region? Therefore area of goal region, area of goal region will be equal to pi into r1 square, you say. Now area of goal region is equal to pi value 22 by 7, it is given here, 22 by 7. R1 is 10.5 you can say, or 21 by 2 you can say. Which one is convenient for you? Anyone can be used, no? This one or this one. I will use 21 by 2, or if you want to use 10.5, that also is okay. I will use 21 by 2. 21 by 2 whole square. For me it will be convenient, because 21 by 2, 2 times I will write now. 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2, because it is square. So centimeter square lastly. 7 here 3 times. 2 11 times. So it will be 11 into addition, or you can say 11 into 3 into 21 is 63. 11 into 63 by 2 centimeter square, or 63 and 11 if you multiply, 693 by 2 centimeter square, or it can be divided also. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, no? 2 4s are 8, and then 12, that is 2 6 are 12, 0.5 centimeter square. This is the area of goal region. One part of the solution only. First part is over. Second part, I will draw the second circle now, you see. Now you see the second circle as we have drawn, then here a ring is formed or not. This ring is the red region. So we need to find the area of this red part. So then we can't say that area of the whole circle will be representing this area. No, because this is between two circles. So the second circle's area, from that you deduct the area of the first circle. That will be the area of the red region. So to find the area of the red region, you have to proceed that way. But first of all, you have to mention the radius of the second circle. So radius of the second circle will be from center is same here, center to this part, this point suppose. Here this band is what? How much it is? It is given in the question. This band means the width of the band is given as, means breadth, that is equal to 10.5 centimeter. Then what is the radius of the second circle? Radius will be measured from center to this point boundary. So this is the radius. Inside radius was 10.5. This is the one. Inside radius means first radius was 10.5. Again width is increased 10.5. That is radius of the second circle will be this 10.5 plus this 10.5 is equal to 21. So R2, we will write R2 as the radius of the second circle. R2, radius of second circle. radius of second circle, which is R1 plus again another 10.5. 10.5. So R1 is actually 10.5. Use it here. 10.5 plus this 10.5 is equal to 21. This is R2, means radius of the second circle. Remember this point, important point for us. This is radius of the second circle. Now what we can do with this? We will find out the area of the red region bounded by two circles, small circle and big circle. Radius of the second circle minus, area of the second circle minus the area of the first circle. That will give us the area of the red region. We will write like this. Now area of area of red region is equal to area of second circle minus area of first circle. Okay, so area of second circle is what? Pi r2 square minus area of first circle pi r1 square. We are putting, I am not putting directly the value, just I am showing you this way. You can proceed this way. After that, what you can do, pi you can take as a common factor, or you can put the value also to 346.5. that way also you can write. Okay, let us write then. There are two ways. One is by taking pi common, then R2 and R1 you have to put, then you have to again do the cancellation and multiplication work. There is one way. Let me show you then that way. But taking pi common, pi is here, pi common. Then R2 square minus R1 square will be here. Then pi value is 22/7. Let us write in that other side. R2 is what? Radius 2, 21 square minus radius 1, that is 10.5 square. Like this you can proceed. Pi value 22/7 into R2 21 square minus R1 10.5 square. So now it is 22/7 into this one square, this plus this, this minus this. See, it is like a square minus b square form now. We can write it as a plus b into a minus b. You know the algebraical formula, a square minus b square formula. Treat it as a square minus b square. So it will be a plus b, 21 plus 10.5 into 21 minus 10.5. A plus b into a minus b. That way also you can do. So 22/7 into this plus this will be 31.5 into 21 minus 10.5 is another 10.5 centimeter square. By 7 you can cancel this number. 7 1 is 7, 7 5 is 35, 1.5. Now what you can do? We can multiply these three numbers, then we will get our answer. If I multiply this 22 with 1.5, I will get like this. So the product of 22 and 1.5 is 33. You can see the product. And into 31.5. Multiply these two numbers now. So it will be 1039.5 centimeter square. Product of these two. So this way you can find out. Otherwise, one more method is there. I will show you in the next part. Just you see. We have learned what is the area of the gold region. Now we will find out the area of the next region, that is blue region. Between red and second circle and third circle, that is the region, that is blue region. Let us draw and see the picture. So here it will be like this. This is gold. Next one is red. Next one is blue. I am not drawing complete circles. Try to understand. So now this will be blue region. Dear students, this is blue region. Okay, this is blue region. Each area you have to find out. This portion is between two circles or not, the second circle and the third circle. second circle's area you have to subtract from the third circle's area. That will give you the blue region's area. So area, before that you need to introduce the radius of the third circle. So you say radius R3, radius of third circle. How much will it be? Radius of third circle, you can understand from here that radius of third circle will be equal to, again 10.5, it will increase from the radius of the second circle. So the radius of second circle was from this point to this point, that is R2. Okay, then again another 10.5 is increased or not. Now this was R2, this radius was R2 radius, again 10.5, extra 10.5 we have to take for the radius of the third circle. This is extra, that is 10.5. So dear students, radius of the third circle will be radius second radius plus 10.5 centimeter extra. So that means second circle's radius is how much it was? 21 plus 10.5. So it will be equal to 31.5 centimeter is the radius of the third circle. Now let us write the area of the blue region. Like before only, area of blue region will be area of third circle minus area of what called second circle. Therefore now area of blue region is equal to area of third circle minus area of second circle. This time I will show you another way without taking common factor. Okay, area of third circle, when you will write, what formula you have to write? Pi, formula is same, only the radius is different. Third circle means pi R3 square, pi R square, but since radius is R3, so pi R3 square minus area of second circle pi R2 square. Now see, area of second circle. Have we calculated the area of second circle, dear students? We have to calculate. We did not calculate before area of second circle, because you see, you should not misunderstand that this will be area of second circle. No, this is not area of second circle. This is the difference only. Difference of areas of two circles. What are the two circles? Area of second circle minus area of first circle's result is that number. Area of second circle, you see, pi R2 square minus area of first circle is the result. This is the result. This is not the area of second circle. This is the difference between the areas of two circles. So here we did not find out the area of second circle. We will find out now. Just you see, area of second circle, area of third circle. Let us write pi value 22/7. R3 is 31.5. Put here 31.5 square minus pi value 22/7 into R2. What was radius to? 21 square. Okay, this will give us the area of second circle. So it is equal to 22/7 into 31.5, 2 times 31.5 minus area of second circle 22/7 into 21, 2 times 21 into 21. This will give us the area of this second part, will give us the area of second circle, remember this. And here we are going to get area of third circle, okay. Now second circle's area here, third circle's area. This will be useful in our next calculation. That's why this time I am doing this way. Here the second circle's area was hidden in the previous calculation, but here it will not be like that. It will be just clear, very clear. It is 3. Cancel it. So 3 into 22 is 66, or 3 into 21 is 63. So if you cancel this one also by 7 4s are 28, then 35, 7 5s are 35, point here. So now it will be 22.4.5. you can multiply, and then later on you can multiply 31.5 with that. So we'll multiply like this. So this product 22 into 4.5 is 99. Okay, then which 31.5 we have to multiply this 99, and 3 into 21 is 63. Now we'll multiply these two numbers. So if we multiply 31.5 with 99, it will be, so this product is now 3118.5, and this product is 1386. Now from this number we subtract this number. So dear students, this is whose area? Area of third circle. Just you see, third circle's area is here, and this is second circle's area. Next time when third circle's area will be required, this number you can use directly. Okay, because for the next region again this circle's area will be required. We'll go to that. So now let us subtract this number from the here. So it will be, so the difference is now 1732.5 centimeter square. So this is the area of blue region. Now we'll go to find the area of black region. So first one was gold region, next came red region. This is red region. Okay, next came blue region. We have got blue region. Now comes black region. We have to find the area of the black region. So dear students, the next region is black region. This is the black region. This is the black region. We need to find the area of this black region. Now as you know, this radius is going on increasing. So now radius for the our third circle is over. Now radius for the fourth circle will say R4. Let us say like this, R4, radius of the fourth circle. Radius of fourth circle. Radius of fourth circle is what? The radius of third circle. From that again, with that you have to increase what? Another 10.5, because every time 10.5 is increased. So this band is 10.5. That's why. So the radius of the fourth circle will be from here to this point. Clear? So this will be the radius of fourth circle. I can show with a line like this. This time we are talking about this radius from center to this boundary. This is radius 4. Radius 4. And that radius 4 is actually radius 3 plus this 10.5. This part is 10.5 and this is radius 3. This is radius 3. So radius 3, with that 10.5 extra you have to add. That will become radius 4. Is it clear? So now radius 3. Radius 3 already we have. The radius 3, what we got here previously? Radius 3 is 31.5 plus 10.5. That is equal to, this will be 32 plus 10, 42. 42 centimeter is the radius 4. Now we write the area of black region. Therefore, area of black region, black comes between what? Fourth circle and third circle. So you have to write area of fourth circle minus area of third circle. Area of black region is equal to area of fourth circle minus area of third circle. So that is equal to area of fourth circle is pi r4 square formula minus area of third circle is pi r3 square. Pi 22 by 7 and r4 is 42. So 42 square you write minus pi r3. Don't put these separate values. Directly you can bring the value of area of third circle. What is the area of third circle? I just show you. Here you just see, dear students, this part was what? Area of third circle. This part, area of third circle. This is area of third circle. Area of third circle. Area of third circle. area of third circle. After calculation, this is the area of third circle. So this number you can use directly for area of third circle. Okay, na? That is 3118.5. That will go directly there. So we brought this number directly here from the previous calculation, area of third circle. Okay. So now we write this part, 22 by 7 into 42 2 times, 42 into 42 minus 3118.5. So by 7 you can cancel this number, 6. So it will be 6 into 42, 6 2s are 12, 6 4s are 24, 25 minus 3118.5. Then multiply these two numbers. So this product is 5544, this product. So minus this number. So this is the difference. This is the area of the black region. Now comes the last region, that is area of white region. You have to find out. White region comes between black and the fourth circle and the fifth circle. So let us write the radius of fifth circle, that is R5. Radius of fifth circle. Here also, dear students, this part will represent what? This part, this number will represent the area of the fourth circle. Just you see, area of fourth circle. So this is area of fourth circle. That is 5544, which can be used here now again for calculation of the area of the fifth region. So area of fifth circle, radius of fifth circle, that is equal to the previous radius R4. With that you add again 10.5, like the previous one. Here you see R4 we are calculating by adding R3 with 10.5. Now R5 we are calculating by adding R4 with 10.5. So R4 was what? What was R4? 42. Use it here. Plus 10.5. That will be equal to 52.5. 52.5 centimeter. This is radius of the fifth circle. Now we can write the area of the white region. So area of white region is equal to pi R5 square minus pi R4 square. Pi R5 square, pi is 22 by 7 into R5 is 52.5 square minus area of fourth circle is 5544. So directly we are bringing that value here. Okay, dear students. So now it is 22 by 7 by into 52.5, 2 times 52.5 minus 5544. Okay, then you can cancel this 7 with this number. 7 7s are 49. Then it will be 35. 7 5s are 35 point here. So now multiply. Here these two numbers you can multiply. Later on you can multiply 22 with that. 22 into 7.5 and 52.5. So dear students, 7.5 and 52.5, if we multiply, the product is 393.75. You can check the product. Okay, please you do by yourself once again. And then multiply 22 here again, 22, and that product, from that product you have to subtract this number. Okay, so this product is 8662.5 minus 5544. Okay, let us subtract 5544.00 here. So which is equal to 3118.5 centimeter square. This is our final answer, dear students. One question is left to you, that is last question. If you cannot manage, I will solve. Two questions are left. 2 questions are left, 4 and 5. This will be homework. If you cannot manage, I will see. Okay, you try at home, solve these 2 questions. So homework is this one only, question of 4 5. With that you solve the other questions also. Examples you solve. Examples before this exercise. Examples before 12.1 means in the textbook before the exercise 12.1 some examples are given. Here are only one example is there, that example 1, and then exercise question 4 and 5. This will be homework. 3 questions are homework today. Just I can say example 1 is homework, and question number 4 and 5 from 12.1. These 2 questions are in homework. So thank you and have a nice day.